Hi guys! It's that time of year again when cucumbers and dills ripen. I got plenty of dill this year. My cucumbers looked promising at the start of the season. Unfortunately, later on they got damaged by the cucumber beetles. And let's not forget the squash bugs. All in all, they didn't make it. So I just got some cucumbers from the market instead. I bought a quarter bushel of size 2 cucumbers, which was too much. I just needed a small bag for my 5-liter fermentation crock. Fermentation is the original form of pickling. It creates a healthy lactic acid that gives foods a tangy flavor. Lactic acid functions as a digestive aid and is also deadly to pathogens, making fermentation the safest form of food preservation. Fermented foods retain all their original vitamins, and the fermentation process also increases some vitamins, notably vitamin C. Wash the cucumbers and scrub the blossom end well. Soak in an ice water bath for at least 1 hour while preparing the other ingredients. We will use some garlic cloves, bay leaf, black pepper, dill flower, and grape or horseradish leaves. We will also need some cucumbers and a 5-liter fermenting crock. Put 5 dill heads at the bottom. Use 5 grape or horseradish leaves to prevent the pickles from softening. I will use 16 garlic cloves, 5 bay leaves and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Put the cucumbers into the crock. To ensure the vegetables remain submerged in liquid during the entire fermentation period, they will be covered with a 2-part weight stone. Stir the salt into the water until it is fully dissolved to make a brine, and then pour it into the jar until the cucumbers are fully submerged. The liquid must cover the weight stone. Cucumbers need to be cut off from the oxygen in the air during the entire fermentation process. Fitting the lid into the water channel and filling the channel with fresh tap water creates a water seal. The water must be continually topped up or fresh air can get in and spoil the fermenting vegetables. Store at a room temperature in a dark place for 3 weeks. After 3 weeks have passed, open the jar. You will notice the brine turns cloudy. Color of the cucumbers changes from bright to dull green. Transfer the pickles into glass jars. In the fridge, they will stay crisp and fresh for up to 4 to 6 months. A great way to enjoy these pickles is to make this cubano sandwich. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried fermenting vegetables before, or if you have any additional tips as well. Bye and see you next time.